Today we there with.
So right.
Alright, Mr. White, in your opinion, who is the king of dancehall?
Right now, my point of view about the King of Dancehall thing. Let me give you a rundown. Beenie Man was my favorite artist one time. Yeah? Beenie Man was the king one time, but right now, surpass Beenie Man. Surpass, and I'm my favorite artist that. So we have to just know, say, right now we have to just go by the Vice Cartel, King of Dancehall right now. Everything a man touch. Everything every man say, come here. The whole world, the whole media run with it. You see me? I have to influential to be a king of dancehall too. And not just you take care of your own people have to give that. And the music alone make you get king of the dancehall. People have to give that. The world have to give that. People have to talk about you. You have to famous, brother. Right now, Cartel come up a whole place, like, brother. Man, the 13 year prison to come like say, remember me I tell you, dancehall they lock up a jail, brother. I swear me I tell you, no lie. No lie. Cartel is number one artist right now, brother. King of dancehall right now. You have to just slow Cartel with that. Yeah, an idea everybody has said, Beenie Man doing time. Beenie Man still good, you know. Now get me wrong, you know, because if I go in my room, I see a Beenie Man picture and a flag. My number one artist that. But where's concern right now, you have to just give Cartel impress, brother. Cartel like king of dancehall right now. Nobody can take that from him.
What is under me nose? I'm out.